I'm Marvin Beyer Jr. We're located just outside of Taft, Texas, which is just north of Corpus Christi, Texas. My son here is the 4th generation.
And I'm Marvin Beyer III. This is the land where we grow our U.S. cotton, and we do our best to grow it sustainably and in a healthy manner, so that way we're able to continue farming this land for as long as we can. One of the biggest things that agriculture has given me is it has taught me to look long-term on things, that it's not always about looking at it right now. Our environment works around a pretty much 12-month cycle.
The uniqueness of this area is our weather patterns and the timing of all of that with the growing season. So once again, being heavy black clay soil, it holds a lot of moisture. We get that moisture in the fall, usually related to tropical season. I think our average rainfall for this area is 27, 28 inches a year. The underground moisture then will make these crops for us with just very little help from Mother Nature at times. We try to plant the cotton when it's warm enough for it to grow. If we get a late freeze in March and cotton is up, we'll have to start over. However, we don't want to wait until April if we don't have to, because it will carry harvest back into that tropical season where we get that rain. And once that rain starts, it usually doesn't stop in a time that works out very well. So we've got that window there that we need to grow our crop.
We have times that we're at the mercy of Mother Nature, and usually when we harvest our cotton, we've got about a 2-week window that if you don't have it harvested in that 2-week window, your chances of losing it due to a natural disaster, a hurricane, a tropical depression, something like that, they start to increase as you get outside of that window.
We're in this for the long haul. Pass it down and leave it better than we found it. We want to keep it going, whether we have family members to take it on or just someone else.
If I take care of the land takes care of me, and we're both able to continue doing it for as long as we can.